Namaskar, welcome again. This is our third lecture of trigonometric ratios and standard angles. Yes, we have solved till problem 7. Now let us move to 8th problem. I hope by now you have learned all the trigonometric ratios of standard angle, that is from 0 degree to 90 degree, 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Now let us see this 8th question. If theta is 30 degree, then find the ratio of 2 sin theta upon sin 2 theta, or 2 sin theta ratio sin 2 theta. Now in solution, simple, we have theta is 30 degree. So therefore 2 sin theta ratio sin 2 theta, this is equals to 2 sin 30 degree ratio sin 60 degree, this is equals to 2 into 1 upon 2 ratio root 3 upon 2. This 2 and 2 will cancel. This is equals to 1 ratio root 3 divided by 2. I will multiply both the sides by 2. So this is equals to 2 ratio root 3. So this is sin 2 theta ratio sin 2 theta. 2 sin theta ratio sin 2 theta. Okay. Fine. Next question. By means of example, show that sin a plus b is not equal to sin a plus sin b. Okay. So simple question. Yes. This is your 9th question. By means of example, you have to show that sin a plus b is not equal to sin a plus sin b. Fine. So in solution, we say let a is, say a is 30 degree. Okay. And let us take b as 60 degree, because for 30 plus 60, which is 90, we know the value of sine and we know the value of sin 30 and sin 60. So our left hand side is sine of a plus b, which is sine of 30 degree plus 60 degree. This is equals to sine of 90 degree, and the value of sin 90 is 1. This is our left hand side. Now right hand side, RHS, we say this is equation 1. Now RHS is sin A plus sin B. The value of sin A is sin 30 degree plus sin 60 degree. Now the value of sin 30 degree is 1 upon 2 and the value of sin 60 degree is root 3 upon 2. So this is equal to 1 plus root 3 whole divided by 2. This is our second equation. So from 1 and 2, our left hand side is equals to right hand side. So from 1 and 2, I will say that LHS is equals to RHS. LHS is not equal to RHS. Okay, right now the LHS is 1 and RHS is 1 plus root 3 divided by 2. So therefore what I will say that, sine of A plus B, this is not equal to sin A plus sin B. Comfortable? Yes. Okay. Now let us move to the next problem. 10th problem, we have if A is 60 degree and B is 30 degree, then sin A plus B is sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Okay. So we have already seen that sin A plus B is not equal to sin A plus sin B. But let us check whether it is equals to this. Yes. Okay. In solution, we have A equal to 60 degree and we have B equal to 30 degree. Now LHS is sine of a plus b is equals to sine of a is 60 degree and b is 30 degree. So this is sine 90 degree and the value of sine 90 is 1. This is first equation. Now let us see what is RHS. So right hand side, if you see, it is sine A cos B. RHS is sine A into cos B plus cos A into sin B. Now the value of A is 60 degree and the value of B is 30 degree, plus this is cos of 60 degree into sin of 30 degree. Now what is sin 60? The value of sin 60 is root 3 sin 60, okay, sin 60, it is root 3 upon 2, and cos 30, it is root 3 upon 2, plus cos 60, it is 1 upon 2, and sin 30, it is 1 upon 2. So this becomes, this is equals to root 3 into root 3 is 3, 2 into 2 is 4, plus 1 into 1 is 1, 2 into 2 is 4. So 3 plus 1, numerator is 3 plus 1 divided by 4. So 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 upon 4, 4 upon 4 is 1. This is our second equation. So from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, left hand side is equals to right hand side. From 1 and 2, left hand side is equals to right hand side. Therefore, I will say that sine of a plus b, okay, we have seen the value of left hand side is 1 and right hand side is 1. So sine a plus b is equals to sine a into cos b plus cos a into sin b. Understood? Okay, again this is an identity, you can learn it. Now the next problem, we have if a is 60 degree and b is 30 degree, then we have to verify cos a plus b is equals to cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Now you can give a try by yourself. A is 60 degree and b is 30 degree. Okay, pause the video, solve it and then see the solution. Now my left hand side is equals to cos of a plus b. So cos of a plus b is cos of 60 degree plus 30 degree. This gives me cos of 90 degree and cos 90 is 0. So the left hand side becomes 0. Now right hand side RHS. RHS is cos A into cos B minus sin A into sin B is equals to cos, what is the value of A? It is 60 degree, cos 60 degree into cos 30 degree minus sin 60 degree into sin 30 degree. Now the value of cos 60 degree is 1 upon 2. So this is 1 upon 2 multiplied by cos 30, it is root 3 upon 2. Minus sin 60 is root 3 upon 2 into sin 30 is 1 upon 2. So the same thing, okay, left hand side, this term is your root 3 divided by 4 minus this is also root 3 divided by 4. So root 3 divided by 4 minus root 3 by 4, what you will get? You will get 0. So your left hand side is 0, your right hand side is 0. So therefore you will say that from 1 and 2, LHS is equals to RHS. Therefore we have cos A plus B equal to cos A plus B, this is equals to cos A into cos B minus sin A into sin B. Yes, okay. Next problem. We have to prove sin A minus B is equals to sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Again, the value of A is 60 degree and value of B is 30 degree. So, in solution, A is 60 degree and B is 30 degree. Our LHS left hand side will become sin A minus B, that is sin 60 degree minus 30 degree, that is sin 30 degree. Now the value of sin 30 degree is 1 upon 2. So this is our equation 1. Right hand side is equals to sin A into cos B minus cos A into sin B. So here it is sin 60 degree into cos 30 degree minus cos 60 degree into sin 30 degree. Okay, let us put the value. Sin 60 is root 3 upon 2 into cos 30 is root 3 upon 2. So root 3 upon 2 into cos 30, this is also root 3 upon 2 minus sin A cos B, sin A sin 60 degree cos 30 degree minus cos A cos 60 degree is 1 upon 2 into sin 30 degree is 1 upon 2. So root 3 into root 3, it will become 3 divided by 4 minus this will become 1 upon 4. So 3 minus 1, this is 2 upon 4 and 2 upon 4 is 1 upon 2. Okay. So first and second both are 1 upon 2. So therefore I will say that from 1 and 2, I will say that from 1 and 2, LHS is equals to RHS. Therefore sin A minus B is equals to sin A into cos B minus cos A into sin B. This is 10.3. Now next question. If A is 60 degree and B is 30 degree, we have to verify tan A minus B. So in the same way, our solution, A is given 60 degree and B is given 30 degree. Now left hand side is tan of A minus B is equals to tan of 60 degree minus 30 degree. This is equals to tan 30 degree. Now the value of tan 30 degree is equals to 1 upon root 3. This is first equation. Now RHS, right hand side, RHS is equals to tan A minus tan B divided by 1 plus tan A into tan B. Let us see what I have written is right. Yes. So this is right hand side. Now let us put the value. So this is tan 60 degree minus tan 30 degree whole divided by 1 plus tan 60 degree into tan 30 degree. This is equals to tan 60 is root 3 minus tan 30 is 1 upon root 3 whole divided by 1 plus tan 60 is root 3 into 1 upon root 3. Now this is equal to root 3 and root 3, they will become 3 minus 1 whole divided by root 3, and our denominator root 3 will cancel and it will become 2. So this is equals to 2 upon root 3 whole divided by 2. So this 2 will cancel and I have 1 upon root 3. So equation 1 we have 1 upon root 3, equation 2 we have 1 upon root 3. Therefore I will say, therefore from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, LHS is equals to RHS. Therefore tan A minus B is equals to tan A minus tan B whole divided by 1 plus tan A into tan B. Simple? Yes? Okay. Fine. Now let us see what is the next question. If 2 theta is an acute angle, then 2 sin 2 theta equal to root 3, find the value of theta. So this is altogether a different kind of problem. So I will stop my lecture here. This problem we will discuss in our next class. I hope you understand all the questions. If you find difficult, then again revise it. If you are not understanding, just comment me so that I will make more detailed video, or I will try to explain in some other way. Yeah, hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching my video.